family loved that video of me driving.
You just zoned out.
I bugged out. Because I just thought it was a parking space, then it was a junction, and then I didn't clock it was two-way. It was horrible. And then I was like, I was getting a drink, and my mum just calls me over and was just like, look, you're famous, you're on Instagram. But then she hasn't seen the video, so I sit down and we watch. She's like expecting a masterclass. She calls my dad like, oh look, come on, let's watch, she's gonna do something really cool. And then I just do that. And my dad and mum was just like, they were gonna send, like, they sent it on the WhatsApp, the family group chat. You know, I was just like, watch it first before you send it.